Okay guys, hi and welcome back. In this video we have the order class. So here in the code, I can go to the code now, and here I can copy this part, but let's add a padding here. So here padding bottom of 40 pixels. Okay, here in the code I have this. Great. Here we go. I can make here dev with a class of container and dev with a class of row and dev with a class of column. Here I can type first, okay, and here I can make dev with a class of call order. Okay, order 12, I can write here second. Okay, and here I can copy this part and paste it for here and make oh my god. So I can cancel that. Okay, do not save. Open this again. Oh my god, we will write all of that again. So here dev with a class of container. I will try to type fast. Container, okay. Here dev with a class of row. Here dev with a class of column. And here I will write first. I can copy this to 1, 2, and 3. Here I can make order 12, and here I can make order 1. Okay, here I can make second, and here I can make third. Okay, now we have first, third, and second, because here I want it to be in the order 1, so this is not calculated. This is the order 1, and this for 12, so it is moving from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I want this to be the order 1, but there's no 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 11. So I want the 12 to be in case of the number 2. Okay? Okay, so here we go again. I can make here where the Bootstrap website. Okay. So scroll down here. Here we have the order last and first. Okay, I can copy this part, or because of the padding. Okay, let's go back and see what we have here. Okay, so do we have anything after that? Yes, we have. So now I have I can write dev the class of container. Okay, and here dev with a class of row, dev with a class of call order first. This may help you when you write an order. Here, as you know, the order of column 3 instead of 1, so you can adjust it from the order. Order first. Here I can type here third, or I can make this to be last. So here third, and after this I have dev with a class of column, just column, second, and finally here dev the class of column and order first. Here I can write first. Okay, let's refresh here. Okay, here I have first, second, and third. This is great, right? So here we go. Let's see what we have after this part. Okay, here I have we have tested this before. If you want to test it, we can do it. Okay, we will make, no, we didn't do it before. So okay, let's do it in the code. So here I can add the same style. Okay, and now let's see what we have here. Okay, great. Here we go. Here I can add dev with a class of container, dev the class of container, and dev with a class of row. Okay, and here dev with a class call md4, and here call md4. Okay, and here dev with a class of call md4 again, but with offset md4. Here I can make call md4. Let's see the difference now. Now it is separated between each other. As you can see here, there is a distance between this part and this part. Okay, let's make this into 3 and 3 and offset medium 3. Okay, so here when I refresh the page, I have this. The distance now is smaller, right? So we have, after this we can make the offset, the column 6, but the offset of okay, 6 and 6 and offset of 3. Now we can see this here because there's much distance. The column 6 is from this one and this part because it takes 100% because we have just 12 columns, so it takes from this part and this part, which is 100%, and then it will add the distance of the column offset 3 for this part here. Okay, so what if I make it into 4, or let's make it 5. Okay, now it is much far away, right? Okay, here we have the next thing. We have 5 minutes left. Okay, this is okay, we don't need it. We have tested this before, so we know that. Thus now we know the difference between the offset and the column. Okay, we have this, we will not use it, and we will not use this, so we don't need it. Okay, so we can test this as a last thing for this video, and then we will move to the utilities for the layout. Okay, so here in this code I can copy the style, okay, and paste it here. Let's see what we have. Great, here we go. I can create a dev with a class of example container, dev the class example container. Okay, here I have dev the class example row, and here dev with a class example content main content. Okay, and after this part I can make dev the class example content secondary. Okay, so here I have secondary content. Okay, here I have this and this. There's no much difference, right? So I think we got a problem here, if we don't have a problem, so it is doing great. No, we do not have a problem, I think. Okay, great. Now we are done with the grade. Let's see what we have in the utilities, and then if we don't have anything here, we will move to the content. So we do not have anything here. There's a margin and we don't need it. Okay, this says I will explain it here. Okay, so here it says that I have here the margin, the MR3, which stands for margin right 3, margin right 1 REM, or margin MD3, margin right 1 REM. Okay, now we are done with the layout. You can see, you can find the resource and the code of this in the resource of this section. So good luck and have fun.